How often should you have your carpets professionally cleaned? Hi everyone, this is Black Diamond Services, and today we're going to answer one of the most common questions we get. How often should you have your carpets professionally cleaned? The short answer is every 6 to 12 months, but the real answer depends on your home, your family, pets, and where we live here in the Central Valley. After cleaning carpets in Modesto, Oakdale, Turlock, and surrounding areas for years, we've seen how our local environment really affects how quickly carpets get dirty. General cleaning recommendations. Most carpet manufacturers recommend professional cleaning at least once per year to maintain your carpet and even keep your warranty valid. But many homes actually need cleaning more often than that. Here's a simple breakdown. Every 12 months, homes with 1 to 2 adults, no pets, low traffic. Every 6 to 9 months, families with kids, 1 to 2 pets, normal traffic. Every 3 to 4 months, multiple pets, allergies, heavy traffic homes. If you have kids, pets, or a busy household, once a year usually isn't enough to keep carpets in good condition. Why Central Valley homes need more cleaning. Living in the Central Valley actually means carpets get dirtier faster than many other areas. We deal with agricultural dust, dry summers, lots of pollen, air conditioning, running constantly, dirt being tracked in from fields, construction, and dry soil. All of that dust and debris settles deep into the carpet fibers where regular vacuuming can't reach. So many homes here really benefit from cleaning every 6 to 9 months instead of once per year. What happens if you wait too long? Waiting too long between cleanings can actually damage your carpet. Here's why. 1. Stains become permanent. Fresh stains are easier to remove. Old stains can be permanently bond to the carpet fibers. 2. Dirt damages carpet fibers. Dirt acts like sandpaper. Every step grinds dirt into the carpet and wears it out faster. 3. Allergens build up. Carpets trap dust, mites, pollen, pet dander, and allergens that affect indoor air quality. 4. Odors develop. Pet accidents, spills, moisture soak into carpet backing and padding over time. Replacing carpet is expensive. Cleaning it regularly is much cheaper than replacing it early. Signs your carpet needs cleaning now. Even if you're not on schedule, here are signs it's time to clean your carpet. Dark traffic lanes or walkways, carpet looks dull or gray, lingering odors or allergy symptoms inside the house, pet accidents or stains. After any water leak or flooding, if you notice any of these, it's probably time for professional cleaning. How to keep carpets cleaner between cleanings. You can extend the life of your carpet by doing a few simple things. Vacuum high traffic areas twice per week. Clean spills immediately. Blot, don't rub. Use doormats at entrances. Remove shoes inside the house. Move furniture occasionally to prevent traffic lanes. These small things make a big difference over time. Final recommendation for homes here in the Central Valley, the best schedule is professional carpet cleaning every 6 to 9 months. That keeps your carpets looking better, lasting longer, and helps improve indoor air quality for your home. If you have pets, kids, or high traffic, you may want to clean closer to every 6 months. If it's just 1 or 2 people and low traffic, once per year may be fine. If you're not sure how often your home should be cleaned, we're always happy to help you figure out a schedule that makes sense for you. If you would like to learn about our Dirt Defense Saving Program and how you can get on more of a routine of cleaning so you don't have to think about it as often, give us a call at 209-264-8898 and learn how you can get a discount by just scheduling your carpet cleaning in advance and keeping your home fresh and clean year-round.